大家好, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Savannah, who's here to help you connect to Chinese language and culture. Welcome to day 2 of our 7 days to master Chinese pinyin series. In this video, I'm going to teach you tips and tricks to pronounce Chinese tones correctly and some rules for tone change for the third tone, and we're gonna have some tone drill at the end. If you don't know what pinyin is in general, check out our day 1 video and come back to learn the most challenging part in pinyin, which is the Chinese tones. Alright, grab your pen and your notebook, let's jump right into it. Since we haven't learned any pinyin syllables yet, let's just use one of the simple finals, to practice Chinese tones. You can see we have approximate measurement for the 4 tones about how their pitches go, from pitch 1 to 5. The first tone is the highest tone, and the characteristics of first tone is high and flat. It sounds like ah, ah, ah. It sounds like you are singing steadily at a high pitch. It also sounds like the beep sound. Ah, ah, ah. Find a relatively high pitch for you. For some people, if you have relatively lower tone, you can do ah. For people who can do higher pitch, you can do ah. It's totally okay. Okay, second tone. Second tone is also called going up tone because it's literally going up from a lower pitch to a higher pitch. Ah, ah, ah. It sounds like when we say what and right in English. Ah, ah, ah. Third tone. When we pronounce third tone, first go down very low to a low pitch and goes up. Ah, ah, ah. Fourth tone. Fourth tone is also called going down tone. It goes down from a higher pitch to a lower pitch. Ah, ah, ah. It sounds like we say yes or no affirmatively. Yes, yes, ah, ah, ah. Neutral tone. Neutral tone doesn't have a tone mark. So neutral tone is short and slight. Pitch-wise is somewhere in the middle. Ah, ah, ah. For first tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone, they can be longer or shorter based on how fast you speak or how much you want to stress in a speech. But comparing to the neutral tone, they are definitely longer than neutral tone. Neutral tone is slight and short. Let's do all the tones together. Ah, 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 ah. One more time. Ah, 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 ah. For neutral tones, most particles are neutral tones. They are sometimes structural particles or the particles that are used at the end of a sentence. Since they are not the major parts of speech in a sentence, we don't stress it in a sentence. That's why we make them neutral tone. And you can see that the tone marks on top of ah look exactly like how the pitch go. First tone, high and flat. Second tone, going up. Third tone, going down and going up. Fourth tone, going down. Alright, let's talk about the rules of how tones change. It's basically for third tones. When we have a word that has 2 characters and both of the characters are third tones, the first third tone automatically becomes second tone. The word hello, 你好, is a perfect example. 你 means you. 好 means good or okay. 你 and 好 are both third tones. But when we say it as a word, it's 你好, 你好. 你 becomes 你. This rule is actually to make our life easier. It's hard to say 你好 to third tones. Ni hao sounds natural and easy to pronounce. This rule comes natural to native speakers, but for learners, we might have to consciously remember that the first third tone has to be pronounced as second tone when we have two third tones together in a word. Another rule, maybe I wouldn't call it a rule, it's a trick in pronunciation for third tone. Because third tone is very hard to perform fully, right? When we speak naturally, we usually drop the going up part and keep it low. Without pronouncing the going up part, it sounds like It's just a very low tone. Let's still use ni hao as example. The second character hao, third tone. But when we say it faster, it sounds like ni hao, ni hao. Instead of ni hao, we say ni hao, ni hao, ni hao. Alright, let's do a quick drill to practice the four tones. 蛋 蛋 蛋 明 明 明 金 金 金 纸 纸 纸 砖 砖 砖 放 放 放 随 随 随 以 以 以 争 争 争 治 治 治 Alright guys, this is all for this video. I hope you are not overwhelmed yet. In our next video, I'm going to introduce you to all the initials in Chinese pinyin. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumb up and share with your friends who also want to learn Chinese in 2020. And also don't forget to subscribe. I have 5 more videos teaching pinyin and more coming up soon. I'll see you guys in my next video. 再见。